Planning a project in Microsoft Project involves setting up tasks, defining dependencies, and establishing timelines. Here's a step-by-step guide. Start a new project. Open Microsoft Project. Launch the application and create a new project by selecting File, New, Blank Project. Define project information. Set project start date. Go to Project, Project Information, and set the project start date. You can also define other project details like the end date and calendar options. Enter tasks. Task list. In the Gantt chart view, enter all project tasks in the task name column. Include detailed descriptions for clarity. Set task durations. Duration. Enter the estimated duration for each task in the duration column. Define task dependencies. Link tasks. Select tasks and use the Task tab to click Link Tasks. This establishes dependencies between tasks, showing how one task affects another. Assign resources. Resource sheet. Go to View, Resource Sheet to enter resource names and details. Assign resources to tasks by selecting tasks in the Gantt chart view and using the Resource Names column. Create milestones. Milestones. Add milestones to mark significant points in the project. Enter milestones as tasks with 0 duration. Review and adjust. Review plan. Review the project plan for accuracy. Adjust task durations, dependencies, and resources as needed.